What is up, TikTok? Today we are using this Tideway hair dryer because my hair needs to be dried, and honestly I'm not really a big fan of hair dryers, so let's see how this works. Okay, but look at this. It is absolutely gorgeous. She is so beautiful, and you can just turn her on like this and then change her colors. Honestly, all in all, I like it. It's not fully dried just because my hair is like kind of thick and crazy, but I would buy it. And I don't like hair dryers, so this is definitely 10 out of 10. So go ahead and click that link and get you one of these.